Why do people usually get 0 as an answer for this question? Why do people usually get 0? Alright, so I'm going to show you how people usually get 0 as an answer. Okay, so they begin by saying 6 minus 6 bracket multiply by 6 bracket 6 minus 5. Okay, so that gives us 6 minus 6, of course that's 0, times 6 minus 5, and that is 1. Okay, so 0 times 0, and that gives us 0. This answer is completely wrong because we have not followed the order of operation called PEMDAS. Okay, so while working with PEMDAS, the multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So let us solve this question correctly. Okay, all right, let me write the question again. We say 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 5. Okay, yeah, so the very first step would be to work with the multiplication because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Okay, so the first step would be to do 6 times 6, and that gives us what? 36. And remember, there is minus here, and then there is 6, and there is 5 here. Okay, so in PEMDAS, we have to work from left to right. Okay, so 6 minus 36, that gives us minus 30. Of course, if you remove 6 from 36, you have 30, and then we still have our minus 5 here. All right, so minus 30 plus minus, or rather minus 5, that gives us minus 35. So the correct answer is minus 35. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.